I heard Elon Musk once say, if you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportions. That led me to ask myself, okay, how do I know if I got the right ingredients in the first place? Then how do I ensure I have the right proportions? Well, I'm sure you heard many similar or different schools of thoughts around building successful companies. But what I found after years of working with successful business owners among other successful clients is quite shocking. Almost everyone is keen on mastering the tools they employ in their business, and they are masters of their craft, but very few master the operator themselves. Along the years, I found these 6 steps to revolutionize every business owner's life and boost their companies to new levels. I always begin by asking them these 6 questions. Question number 1, why are you in this business? 2, what are you trying to achieve in it and with it? 3, what's your time frame? 4, what tools do you have? 5, how committed are you? 6, what do you do when the unexpected happens? I encourage you to take these questions seriously and answer them in writing, if you will. To maximize your benefit, however, we can do this together when you follow the link in this post. Next Thursday, I'll share with you why peak performers get stuck, so you guarantee you never get stuck. Until then, please remember to seize the moment, perform your best, and live consciously.